We're all feeling it, right? This absolute explosion of content, it's like a tsunami of videos, photos, and stories coming at us every single day. But what if the only way to tame that wave is with a force that's just as powerful? Today, we're going to break down how AI isn't just another tool for the media world, it's a revolution that is completely rewriting the rules of the game.
I mean, seriously, just think about it. You pick up your phone, you open an app, and it's just an endless scroll. It feels impossible for us to keep up. Now, just imagine being one of the companies trying to create, manage, and make sense of it all. It's a massive, massive challenge.
To give you a sense of the scale here, just look at these numbers. Every single day, we upload 3.7 million new videos to YouTube. That's not per week, not per month, that's in one 24-hour period. The sheer volume is just mind-boggling.
And hey, that's just one platform. If you hop over to Instagram, we're sharing over 95 million photos and videos daily. This isn't just some passing trend, it's a fundamental change in how we all communicate and how we consume information.
So you've got this great content flood, and it's putting a crushing pressure on the old ways of doing things. You know, the traditional media systems, they were built for a world of scheduled TV shows and once-a-day newspapers. They just were not designed for this, and frankly, they're breaking. But you know, this flood of content, that's only half the story. The other, maybe even bigger half, is us. Our habits have totally changed. As the audience, we've completely rewritten the rules of the game. Take a look at this. It shows a huge shift toward local content. In a market like India, a wild 70% of new digital content is in regional languages. People want content that speaks to them, and their language, reflecting their culture. The days of one-size-fits-all media are pretty much over. And this right here shows exactly how we're consuming all that content. It's no surprise, right? Almost everybody is on a smartphone, and a huge 90% of us are regularly watching short-form video. We want our media now, we want it in small bites, and we want it on the go. So here's the really crucial takeaway. Our expectations have completely shifted. We don't just want content anymore. We expect it to be personalized for us, localized to our culture, and available the second we want it. For media companies, these aren't just nice little extras anymore. They're the price of entry. Okay, so if the old ways of working are broken, and what we, the audience, demand is skyrocketing, what's the fix? Well, this is where we turn to AI. It's really the only tool powerful enough to handle the sheer scale and complexity of media today.
Let's just put it side by side. The old way, all manual work, it's slow, it's incredibly expensive, it's generic, and as we said, it's breaking down. The new way, the AI-powered way, is the complete opposite. It's lightning fast, it can scale to infinity, it's deeply personal, and it's smart.
And let's be super clear about this. This isn't about making things a little bit better or a little more efficient. It's really a question of survival. The systems that rely on people have just hit a wall. They've reached their absolute limit. Only AI can actually process and manage media at the scale we're talking about now. So, what does this AI solution actually look like in the real world? Well, it's not a bunch of separate, clunky tools. Instead, think of it as a single, all-in-one platform. To make this concrete, let's look at how a system like this actually works. An AI platform basically takes a piece of content on a complete journey. First, it pulls in the media and actually understands it. We're talking AI that can listen to audio, recognize faces, and see objects in a video. Then it gets to work processing and enhancing it, maybe automatically creating subtitles or flagging something that needs a human review. After that, it's all about distribution and personalization, getting that content to the right person on the right screen. And finally, it monetizes it and analyzes how it's all performing. So that whole process, that's what we mean by an end-to-end media AI engine. It is one single, unified system that handles the whole shebang. No more trying to get a dozen different tools to talk to each other. It's like a new operating system for all of media. And check this out. This is a perfect example of it in action. Right here, you're seeing an AI do content moderation in real time. It's scanning the video, it's identifying potential red flags, like sensitive material, across multiple languages, and flagging it instantly. This keeps brands safe automatically, a task that would take a human team hours, if not days, to do. Okay, so we've talked about the back-end stuff, the infrastructure, but this is where it gets really, really cool. Let's look at the incredible new experiences all this technology makes possible for you and me. This is the future of your feed. We are stepping into an age of truly interactive media. Picture this. You're watching a show. You see a jacket you love, and you just tap the screen to buy it.
Or you're watching a foreign film, and it's instantly dubbed into your language in real time. You'll be able to search inside a video just by describing a scene, and you'll even be able to team up with an AI to create your own stories and art.
I mean, just pause for a second and really imagine that. A world where language barriers in entertainment just evaporate, where every single frame of every video is a searchable piece of data, where your favorite show might even have different endings that you get to influence. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is what's being built right now.
So, as we start to wrap this up, let's zoom all the way out. Because what we're talking about here is so much bigger than just a few cool new features. We are watching a complete, top-to-bottom rethinking of what media even is.
There's this quote from the source material that it nails it for me. The linear era is over. That old way of thinking, a fixed show at a fixed time, broadcast one way, that's done. The future is fluid. It's personal, it's interactive, it's adaptive, and it's always changing.
So if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's this. AI is not just giving the media industry some better tools to do the same old job. It is providing the foundation for a completely new way of doing things, from how content gets made, to how we watch it, to how it all makes money. The rules of the game are being completely rewritten.
And that leaves us with a fascinating and maybe a little unsettling final question to think about. When AI can create an infinite number of perfect, personalized stories, one just for you and one just for me, what happens to our shared culture? What happens to the common stories that bind us all together? That's the fluid future we're heading into.